Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you guys oven baked chicken thigh, so please stick around and watch this video. The seasoning I'm gonna use to make the dry rub are, we have 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and this seasoning consists of rosemary, parsley, basil, and oregano. Chicken seasoning, or you can use poultry seasoning. We got BADIA Complete seasoning, all-purpose BADIA Complete seasoning, and we got 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, crushed red pepper, and we got some paprika, Sazon Goya seasoning, and we got some oil, and we got 4 chicken thigh right here. We have some big chicken thigh, juicy chicken thigh. So these are the ingredients, guys. First, you want to start by preheat your oven on 425 degrees. So you just want to preheat your oven while you're gonna season these chicken thighs. See? So you want to wash your chicken thighs before cooking them. Take off the excess fat around the back. Take off all the excess fat and clean the crevices like this. You want to take out all that thing from out here. Yeah, so we got 4 clean chicken thighs. And what we're going to do now, we're going to combine all our seasoning together. Just combining them into a bigger bowl. And we're gonna add some black pepper or ground pepper, a teaspoon. And we're just gonna mix this together. Nice. We're just gonna add the oil on top of this so the season can stick. Just adding the oil. It's about 3 tablespoons of oil. You want a crispy outside and moist on the inside. Juicy chicken. So now we're just gonna add the rubber. You want to season underneath the skin. You want to season each chicken thigh individually, so each chicken thigh gets even seasoned. You want to rub in the seasoning so the chicken can have lots of flavor. Not only looking delicious, but have lots of flavor too. Looking beautiful now. I'm just gonna add the paprika and the sazon on top, and this is gonna give it a nice color. This on the paprika is gonna give it a pretty nice, very eye-catching color. More to make you wanna just eat it right now. So yeah. I'm just gonna add a pinch of paprika on top of them. And there it goes, the oven is ready. So now I'm just gonna pop these into my Pyrex dish. If you got baking dish or tray, you put that in. I'm just using a Pyrex dish, and now I'm just gonna put them in. I have to fix this so they can fit. Okay. So now we're just gonna put this into the 425 degrees oven and let them bake for at least 45 minutes. So now we're just gonna put this into the oven uncovered and let them oven bake. There you have it, guys, the finished product. Look at this beautiful oven baked chicken thighs, guys. I'm hoping that your chicken thigh come out just as perfect as mine. Look at this beautiful color. Oh my goodness, and it's smelling so great. Thanks for watching, guys. If you already reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. Look at this, so juicy and moist, and the top is so crispy. Look at this. Oh my goodness, let me give you guys a closer look. Look at this. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a taste test as usual to show you how juicy this chicken is, guys. Then take the smallest one. Oh my god, and look at all this sauce. Look at all this sauce, and I didn't add any water to it, and I leave it uncovered. Look at this. And now I'm just gonna dig into it to show you how juicy this chicken is. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, so juicy, guys. Look. And it's absolutely tasty, delicious. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video, and you can also check out this video. Bye. Cooked down to the bone, guys. Delicious and juicy. Look at the bottom, juicy. The fat goes straight in. Oh my god.